First, insert the film shaft into the film roll. Film installation normally requires at least 2 people. Then fasten the locking clamp. Inflate the air shaft. After inflation, the internal air bladder expands. The expanding grips lock the film roll in place. This prevents the film roll from moving sideways. Press here gently to release the air. Move the film roll so that it is centered on the machine. Remove the tape from the film roll. Pull out the film. Prepare to thread the film. Adjust the film so that it is centered. Check the scales on both sides. The scale readings on both sides must be the same. What is this part used for? It is used to adjust the flipping mechanism. Loosen the handwheel on the right side. It is used to adjust the width of the inflate frame. This lead screw and the one on the opposite side adjust the width of the side guides. The film should be oriented in this direction. This is the film travel direction. First, route the film around this guide roller. Then route it around this guide roller. Follow the threading diagram when routing the film. Since the film roll is heavy, pull out a little more film. This makes it easier for the machine to pull the film. After pulling the film upward, adjust both sides and lock them. Lock the panel. The panel can be used to temporarily place tools or other items. Make sure both sides are properly covered. Both sides are equipped with positioning stops. Pull out a little more film. Hold both edges of the film by hand. Secure the film with the clamp. Then jog the machine. The film will automatically feed into the machine during jogging. Turn the handle. Adjust the cutter height according to the product size. Jog the machine again. What is the purpose of jogging the machine? It is to feed the film forward. However, the film is tracking off-center at the front. The film is not tracking properly here. Let it run for a while. This is normal when the film is first threaded. If you are only replacing the film roll, this usually will not happen.